Silver last week has erased the gains for last 4 to 5 weeks. $26 levels, it went close to 25.90-95 levels and has dropped vertically since then, and in fact has dropped below or closed the week below 24. Does this mean that this is the beginning of the second round of retracement for a higher lows till towards 22, or we can again see a rise? Which position you should take in silver, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Watch till the end. Towards the end I will give you the trading levels and strategy. First we look into charts, indicators and then the strategy out there. Also, pressing the bell icon keeps you updated with the twice a day analysis which I share for silver, first with the Asia session, next with the US session. Do watch that also. Also, you can keep yourself updated by joining my free Telegram channel. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Let's start. First, on the charts, see the bottom out. I have highlighted this every time in my recent analysis that the bottom here at 1800 with the almost 3 weekly candles getting the support here at 1800 triple bottom levels. Now since then a rally, you can see a resistance there, then the retracement. So see, silver trades in a $2 block right now. If you look at, see, the first rise, the first leg was from 18 to 24, the retracement was till 20. The next rise is 20 to 26. This is a $6 rally here. This was also a $6 rally here. This is a $4 retracement here, and a $4 retracement here means 22. So and also remember, this is the first red candle. There could be a second red candle that could be equally steep, or we may see it giving a smaller candle for next few weeks, achieving the bottom and then a retracement. This is also possible. Now see, on the channel also, this is trading in this bullish channel. You can see the bottom of this channel is also at 22, and that is why 22 level becomes important. Also, if you look at $2 block, 26 to 24 in a single candle. Now 24 to 22 also is possible in 1 or 2 candles. That is the first part to it. Now this is just on the weekly charts. Also on the weekly charts, one more observation I have told several times. See this bullish breakout, and since last couple of years silver was trading in this bearish channel. It has already given a breakout here, and this breakout may sustain for near future in silver, and hence we have to still remain watchful, still remain cautious. It is still not bearish. Yes, this may show you retracement, however it is still not bearish. Now let's have a look at the daily chart. Now see, on the daily charts, after one breakout candle, you can see this, it is stabilized here, then this breakout has happened, and the next candle was very small with a half the candle size. You can see the body is almost half the complete move, and it is closed at around $24. Now remember, 24.20 is definitely a very good resistance for now. 24.20, 24.50 zone, and if silver trades above this, there will be an increased possibility that it can try to head till towards 24.80, $25 levels, and then again till towards 26. There will remain a probability. And now if you look at, see, this is the consolidation zone. This is a very strong support zone for silver in between 23 and 24.50 levels. It has consolidated here for long. It can try to consolidate, but at the same time one must not forget that this could be the second round of retracement which silver is trying to attempt, which means $22 levels cannot be denied if it stays below 23. Right now, if you just look at the last candle here, there could be a possibility of a reversal. If it stays above 24.20, little more bulls can be seen there, and then we can expect it to head till towards 24.50, 24.80, $25 levels, and beyond that more bullishness can be expected. Now this is on the daily charts. Let's have a look at the monthly. Now look at monthly charts. See the bullish pole here, then this flag, and this is the breakout. It is trading above this zone. It is trying to trade bullish. Yes, it has given a breakout, but on the monthly charts it is not trying to sustain. Now firstly, how low it can go, you can see this twin top here. You can see the flat out opening out there. Now you can expect that it may try to achieve the bottom of the previous candle, which is right now situated at around 23.50, 23.60 levels. So yes, there could be a stretch till there, and then a pullback till towards 24.00, 24.10 levels. So it can precisely give you a symmetry from here, which could be the beginning of the retracement for next couple of candles, and then probably again a rise may be seen. So right now it is trying to form a symmetry. Double top levels almost done, forming a symmetry. The drop is here, 2360, 2350 levels you should watch out for, and from there a pullback cannot be denied towards the end of the month. Else, a third probability achieving 2360 levels, it can also close the month at $25 levels. Now that should be the third green or indecision candle for the month, and from there a little retracement cannot be denied. Yes, right now it is still trading in this bullish channel. Support is seen at 22. So for now, a drop below 2380 should be taken with a concern, that below that we may see it hitting 2360, 2350 levels, a very good support levels. Now let's have a look with the help of indicators. See, indicators on the monthly charts started to diverge the moving averages here. The 20, 50, 100 exponential moving averages I have started to diverge. This is a bullish indication, and it is trading above all these three, also a bullish indication. Also, silver was trading at the top of the Bollinger Bands. Super trend is still on sell with the resistance at 28, and right now on the monthly charts it is still on the sell side. However, moving average is still indicating bullishness there. Now if you look at, see a divergence from the moving averages, look forward to convergence here, which means $22 levels is still going to be a very good support. The stochastic, which is on the monthly charts, dropped a bit, now trying to look upwards, and there could be a probability that it can reverse again. Right now it is trading in red. Let's see if it does. However, most importantly, look at MACD. This is crossed over and trading with divergence. See, the crossover here has bought little more bullishness on the monthly charts from 2020 to 2022, and now it has erased all the gains there. Now again started to look forward to the next round of rise. Now remember, this is the second time silver is on the monthly charts is crossing on the upside. Hence, let's stay positive till the time it stays above $18 levels at least. RSI is comfortable, neither bullish nor bearish. Now look at the weekly. On the weekly charts, I have explained several times this phenomena. The divergence from the moving averages always brings a little convergence. The divergence, then a convergence, and now it is looking down, and hence $22 levels are still going to remain a very good support. In fact, just like this, it can stretch it for the lower and then continue to look upwards. Now see, the moving averages started to see flatten here. They were divergent here. This was the bullish sign. Moving average, the 50 and 100 period moving averages also crossed over. This is also a bullish sign. Now first we look into 2350 levels, very good support. 2350, 40 till 2320 and 23, very good support, and then 2250, $22 levels, the next support levels will come into picture here. Now if you look at the stochastic on the weekly charts, have dropped severely and it is now trading comfortable, neither overbought nor oversold. The MACD is also trying to converge crossover. Now see the divergence here, then the crossover, then the divergence here, then again it is looking forward to crossover. It is still very much bullish, but it has not yet achieved the highs of this channel. Hence, we have to stay cautious and alert till 22 at least for the near term. I will not consider this as bearish. It can show you a very good pullback. In fact, 2350, 2340 levels may show it a pullback for the month, and we can see it again coming back to $25 levels. RSI trying to look downwards, trying to trade bearish as of now with a one single vertical candle. Now look at daily charts. On the daily charts, moving averages started to diverge, and it was trading with divergence from the moving average. It has crossed this. Now looking forward to the 100 period exponential moving average, which is given it a very strong support at 2370, 2380 zone, and then the 2320 levels, the simple moving average will come into picture. Right now it is traded outside Bollinger Bands, and possibly it may show you little retracement how far it can rise. See, the highs of this channel are at 25.50, $25 levels. Stochastic back to oversold levels. The MACD has crossed over here. At this point I told you that, see, it has seen the good bullish rise. It can try to trade with the bearishness, and see right now it is looking downwards. And if you look at, see, it has seen higher highs here. Now possibly it may try to attempt to achieve the lows out there before looking forward to a reversal. RSI also looking down, trying to trade bearish here. Now we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Time for me to define the trading levels and strategies so that you can trade profitably. But before we proceed, I would like to make a couple of points. First thing is, do not get trapped by anyone who is claiming to give you XXX% guaranteed returns in a quick time. Remember, there is no shortcut to money here, and that is why you should not get trapped with any such investment schemes. These are all fraudsters, scammers who take the advantage of this online platforms. Remember, me and my social media handles, do not approach anyone. We are not going to be the first one to message you at least, and we do not have any investment schemes. So please, please, please be cautious, be alert, and report such profiles who are claiming such moves to you. We have only two offerings. First is a mentorship batch, second is a signals channel. In fact, for mentorship batch, do confirm with the payment after you get a confirmation from my official email ID, which is mentioned in the channel description and video description. Second point is, if you want to join my mentorship batch, the 22nd batch starts in first week of June. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my signals channel, which can definitely bring you profits. Reach out to me for more details on same. With that, let's start. Now see, I will recommend you to buy here at 2405 levels. But remember, 2420 is something I will wait for it to break past by. Once it stays above 2420, the next target is going to be 2450 levels. And if it stays above 2450, there could be little more bullishness, which is going to take it for 2465, 2480. These are the resistance level you need to watch out for, and these levels will certainly get achieved, and certainly you can book profits at either of these levels, because see, till a complete reversal is not seen, we should not consider this as bullish or bearish sign, and hence you have to keep booking profits, keep re-entering 2500, then I will recommend 2515, and then beyond that 2540 levels. Now till here it should not be considered as a reversal. Only and only if you see it trading about 2540, 2550, then only you can say that it has reversed, and then you can stay long. Beyond that, certainly more bullish momentum can be seen. But right now there is a possibility that it can try to reverse a bit till 2450, or in fact till 25, and then we may see a downward journey again. Potential exists for this. On the downside, a sell entry is only recommended if you see it trading below 2380, but then 2360 is something you should watch out for. 2360, 2350 levels you should watch out for. This is definitely a very, very good support zone for silver. If it breaks below this, you can expect that 2320, $23 cannot be denied, and breaking below 23, there could be little more bearishness, which is going to take it for 2275, 2250 levels, and in fact a sharper drop cannot be denied below this, which is going to take it till towards the bottom of the channel. Chances are less. I'll be looking forward to a very good support at 2360, 2350 levels, and then a retracement till towards 24 or $25 levels. So take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Thank you.